Delhi is not only the capital but also the food capital of our country. Since it brings to us so many varieties of food, we had to make a part 2 for all the delicious food in Delhi. Banta Soda. Banta Soda is your perfect thirst quencher this summer. The tangy cum sweet taste of Banta is immensely refreshing and gets you going. It's common to find Banta walas in nooks and corners around the market, busy attending to customers by squeezing a lemon into a glass and adding a sprinkling of rock salt before opening a crooked-looking bottle of Banta and pouring it into the glass. Aloo chaat. Nothing punctuates a Delhi shopping street better than a plate of deep-fried potato topped with spiced yogurt and tangy chutneys. The chaat has slowly come to be one of the main attractions of every street, every corner and every stall. Flying noodles. You are so close to making your dream come true. This cafe is serving noodles that can practically fly. Yes, you did hear that right. The Woodbox Cafe at multiple locations is serving some amazing noodles that will defy gravity. The Rose Cafe iced coffee is different from your regular iced coffee because they used Milkmaid instead of milk, which is topped with a shot of espresso and ice. It's sweet yet strong. Paneer Chilla. Right on the main road stands a street stall serving Chandni Chowk's famous chilla bread stuffed with aloo cutlets and chilla stuffed with paneer. Served with a wholesome garnishing of carrot and radish shavings, it also gets full points for presentation and for satisfying our taste buds. Orange Kulfi. There's no dearth of kulfi stalls in Delhi. Uremal Mohanlal Kulfi Wale in Old Delhi prepares kulfis stuffed in fruits along with kulfi julepas, which are juice-based kulfis. The stuffed kulfi is a real fruit, the pulp of which is used in the making of the kulfi, and then the content is added back into the fruit and set. Chole Bhature. Bhogal Chole Bhature Wala is a hidden gem in all true sense. This takeaway only eatery located in Janpath has been serving street food for generations. Their menu offers delicious chole bhature, matar kulche, chole chawal and parathas. Golgappe. Known as Golgappa in northern India, Pani Puri in southern and central India, Pani ke Batashe in the west and Puchka in the east, this crunchy ball of goodness is known to every chaat lover in the country. And Delhi, being the food capital of India, is a true gourmet's calling, and chaat is Delhi's specialty. Strawberry Nutella waffles. Crisp and firm or soft and moist, there is something about a waffle that always charms us. Crepe Phase is basically a super cool food lab where they dish out fresh bagels and crepes, yummy waffles and other such desserts. Biryani. Biryani is everyone's favorite and we love biryani from the core of our hearts. We've been having biryani the usual way, served in a plate. But have you ever had the chance to have biryani served in a potli? Housewell serves biryani in a potli and it is so tempting. But the biryani inside of it is made of flavors and is served with beautiful raita. Aloo tikki. A mildly spicy deep-fried potato patty topped with whipped curd and chutney. This aforedescribed dish is a popular North Indian street food which you absolutely must binge on when roaming the streets of Delhi. Kesar lassi and normal lassi. Sometimes sweet, sometimes salty, but always refreshing. There's nothing like a wholesome glass of lassi to cool you in the summers. Besides its refreshing flavor, it also makes for the perfect thirst quencher. There can't be a better way to indulge than devouring a glass of this churned goodness. 4-feet dosa. The most common problem with big-sized dishes is that they usually look tempting, but taste horrible. It seems like they're only contrived to attract attention and not elevate your eating experience. But that was not the case with the dosa at Sankalp restaurant. The dish, besides being massive, also packs a punch with its delightful taste. Each bite of its crispy outer texture is heavenly, and the masala filling on the side further elevates its taste. Fire pan, Chusky pan. Shukla Orient Pan Palace has been around almost since the time India as a nation took birth. This particular pan shop has not only the regular sada pan and meetha pan, it also has a number of other pans with a clever innovation. The most popular out of which is the Chusky pan. A Chusky or a baraf ka gola is ice on a stick dipped in different syrups and flavors. The above list is incomplete without your experience. Do let us know in the comment section below your favorite street food to have in Delhi. Like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to Things to Do.